Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom login issues on both desktop and mobile. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Step 1 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from logging in. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can restore your router and switch between networks. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data and vice versa. Step 2 is to verify your login credentials. Ensure you're entering the correct email and password. If you're unsure, open the Zoom app, click on Sign In, then click on Forget Password. Enter your email, click Send and check your inbox for a code. Use that code to reset your password. Step 3 is to check Zoom server status. Sometimes Zoom servers may be down. Check the Zoom status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. If there is an outage, you will need to wait for Zoom to resolve it. Step 4 is to clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using Zoom through a web browser, clearing your cache and cookies may fix the login issue. Go to your browser settings and find Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data including cache and cookies. Step 5 is to disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with Zoom's login process. Try disabling it and attempt to log in again. Step 6 is to update Zoom app. Make sure your Zoom app is up to date. Go to App Store or Play Store, search for Zoom, and if an update is available, click on Update. Step 7 is to try a different device. Sometimes the issue might be device specific. Try logging into your Zoom account from a different device. If none of the previous steps work, try deleting the Zoom app from your device and reinstalling it again. This should resolve any issues. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.